livelihood, so that will impact some family. So that particular the subject will know that they do have some threatening diseases, life-threatening diseases that might be a traumatic event for them. Similarly, like witnessing horror, we met some things like sometimes we say कि मैंने भूत देख लिया है. So that kind of a small episode does have a significant impact. Natural disasters like earthquake like situations, in that situations when the people does have certain degree of experiences that the situations are not under control to them, they cannot escape, whether they remain in closer in the buildings, they do have some fear for their livelihood. So that particular where actually individual will does have a escape response, like we do have certain degree of the stress while appearing in the exam. If we do not have that stress, student will not read it. But if it will be a certain level, then it will develop a bad consequences in the mental health. Similarly, if like we have seen some things like somebody in the like battlefield, or like in the like forest, they met with some like lions. So now that kind of like if a stress, anxiety, fear, then they will run it to escape their life. If it is certain beyond degree, people will freeze. So that's how these stressful situations, when it is a certain degree, it is good. When it is beyond that, then it is a harmful for that. Now, it also does have like every degree of the stressful events will not equally impact individuals. Like we have seen that some individual may perform better when they do have a pressure. Many people will not able to perform when they are like keep vast with the someone's, so they do have stress. Many people like they do study and the last hours and they perform better. Many people does have like continuously long year study, but even though they cannot perform better in the exam, they cannot write, they cannot recall the facts and all. So that's how many people does have a degree of the vulnerability towards the stress. We call them as a vulnerable or susceptible populations, and the population which usually does have a very good degree of dealing with the stress for a positive outcomes, we usually call them the resilience. Or this resilience and susceptible behavior usually build up, it is certain degree can be achieved, but it is usually a component with environmental factor, means what kind of the situations we are developed from the childhood, what are the other physical conditions, like if there is a certain other comorbid conditions are there, then people usually does have hormone